Hello, today I wanted to show you how to run updates to your website. So go ahead and take a minute to log into the backend. It should look something similar to what we have here. So once you've done that, we're going to pay attention to this top black bar, and you should see what looks like a refresh icon with a number next to it if you have any updates. So the number indicates how many updates are ready to run. So we will go ahead and click on that. That takes us to the updates page, and starting from top to bottom, we have WordPress updates, if any are available, plugin updates, and lastly, theme updates. So we'll just start from top to bottom and run them. So we'll click Update Now. Once that's been all set, we'll go back to that updates page and run our plugin updates. So click Select All and click Update Plugins. And once that's said it's been completed, we will return once more and run our theme updates. So once all of the updates have been made, that icon and number will disappear. So next, I would suggest clicking the text that reads Purge SG Cache. Should refresh the page. And let's take a quick look and make sure that our website looks as it did before, which it should. And if you have any custom functionality, it doesn't hurt to just run through and make sure that that's working properly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You should have my contact information given to you in the onboarding packet. All right, that's it.